Hey folks, hanging out in Milwaukee, Wisconsin at the 2020 annual dealer meeting here at Harley-Davidson. So what I've got here is one of the brand new 2020 Road Glide Limiteds. This one comes to us in Billiard Red with vivid black accent two-tone paint. Has the twin-cooled Milwaukee 8 114 engine with blacked out finishes and trim throughout. Option on this bike is the new RDRS Reflex Defensive Rider Systems technology, as well as the new HD Connect cellular connectivity application. Has the custom black Slicer 2 cast aluminum wheels. This bike, as displayed, has this two-tone paint, comes factory with ABS and cruise control, Harley-Davidson factory security system, and the premium radio are all standard on this bike. The options are the two-tone paint scheme and the RDRS system.